Assalamu alaikum. I am Tanzila Abid, MS Scholar of Mehran University. The topic of my research article is Role of Speech Therapy in Overcoming Lexical Deficit in Adult Broca's Aphasic Patients. The topic of my study belongs to neurolinguistics. Neurolinguistics is one of the domains of linguistics that investigates language impairment, which affects language structure. Mostly people think about language is the property of tongue, lip, ear, or hand. However, it is not like that because deaf and dumb also possess language skills. To understand this concept that language is the property of brain, aphasia is the good example because aphasia is the after effect of brain damage which may affect your speaking skills, reading skills, your understanding skills, and your writing skills. There are different types of aphasia, but present study will deal with Broca's aphasia. Broca's aphasia is one of the types of aphasia in which affected individual face sluggish and strived speech, and sometimes they have no expressive skills at all. Aphasia may affect different building blocks of language, such as phonemes, morphology, syntax, lexis, semantics. But as the topic of my study shows that present study deals with lexical deficit condition. Lexical deficit condition is the condition in which people face trouble by processing words. As this picture depicts to you that this person wants to utter out word apple. However, he has picture in his mind apple, but he is unable to utter out the word apple. To overcome such deficit conditions, speech therapy is one of those gears. Speech therapy probably supposed to improve language development, communication, and pragmatic language skills. As this picture shows, that our brain consists of two hemispheres, left hemisphere and right hemisphere. If our left hemisphere gets damaged, our language network also gets affected and result in aphasia. People with Broca's aphasia face language impairment and suffer from diminished capabilities in terms of speaking and communicating with other people. They become unable to process words, to express out their particular expressions and thoughts of their minds. But we need to understand here that this deficit condition is neither by birth nor permanent, that cannot be treated or improved at all. This study aims to explore the role of speech therapy in terms of its function and integrity for adult Broca's aphasic patients to overcome lexical deficit condition when they speak up and communicate with other people. Moreover, present study intends to investigate about the effectiveness of speech therapy for people with Broca's aphasia, that how they can recover their performance in terms of speaking and conversing with other people. To achieve this aim has been categorized into two objectives. First one, to explore the use of speech therapy for adult Broca's aphasia to deal with lexical deficit state in communication process. And the second objective, to investigate the effectiveness of speech therapy to recuperate speaking and conversing capabilities of people with Broca's aphasia. These are research questions. How does speech therapy help to adult Broca's aphasic patients to overcome their lexical deficit state in order to enhance their communicating capabilities? Question 2. To what extent speech therapy is effective for people with Broca's aphasia to recover their speaking and communicating skills? In this part, different literature has been reviewed regarding to present study. In 2012, different researchers presented their view that during therapy, patients learn different kind of strategies to interact in their daily life communication, but it can be achieved if they would be given language-based activities. In 2015, Latif said that aphasia disturbs communication, but On the other hand, speech therapy can be considered as an implied option to enhance their communication skills. Sebo in 2016 expressed that therapy treatment can considerably progress a stroke patient's recovery, but it requires quality professional therapy. Moreover, in 2016, Brady and their counterparts explained that speech language therapy is a convoluted rehabilitation intervention aiming improvement in language and communication skills. Speech language therapy is very much effective for people with Broca's aphasia to enhance their interaction, to enhance their reading and writing and communication skills. But sometimes they require high magnitude of therapy. But such type of high magnitude of therapy may not be suitable for all. In 2017, Stephens argued that speech language therapy supports patients with aphasia to communicate their feelings and thoughts in everyday life status quo. However, in 2019, Johnson and their mates expressed that language recovery includes two factors. They actually explain the two factors for the aphasic recoveries. That first one is stroke age, and the second one is receiving aphasic treatment. Along such therapy, they also need some kind of exercises, and such exercises, such therapy may keep long-term effect on them. To analyze present study, theoretical framework has been taken from De Ruyter and De Beer. The sketch model basically was a theoretical framework of the present study. This model enlightens about the production of speech and gestures for particular aphasic condition. This model particularly affiliates between gestures and speech, that if a person having problem to utter out their speeches, on the other hand, simultaneously gestures can overcome such deficit speech communication abilities. Speech and gesture appear from a combined communicative meaning and work probably collaboratively to express that meaning which a person or affected individual wants to utter out. This model actually illustrates the production of gestures and speech, that production of gestures and speech linguistically organized in the same part, that is conceptualizer. If our speech gets diminished, on the other hand, in the same at the same place where conceptualizer we are talking about, in conceptualizer gestures can be generated. Paradigm of this study is constructivism. It is qualitative in nature. Study site of this study is Private Centers of Speech Therapy at Hyderabad. Participants of this study are speech therapists. While choosing participants for this study, there was no any biasness, but coincidentally, researcher found all the females over there as research participants. The sample size of this study was 5. Particularly, convenient sampling has been used, and convenient sampling, particularly snowball sampling, has been used. To gather data, interviews were conducted. Interviews were semi-structured in nature and they were one-on-one. Data was analyzed through thematic analysis under the light of sketch model. Now, it is the analysis of question 1, that how does speech therapy help to adult Broca's aphasic patients to recover their lexical deficit condition? Through the response of speech therapist, researcher emerged different theme and codes. Now, the theme of this very question is appropriate treatment, along following with different codes, that mind therapy, motivation, practice drills, and gestures. Analysis of question 2, that to what extent speech therapy is effective for people with Broca's aphasia. This question actually gave 2 themes. That first, at first level, participants, speech therapists talked about and conveyed their thoughts and views, that first we need to know about that what are the factors behind that, what are the factors behind the effectiveness of speech therapy. So the first theme that was emerged, that was factors affecting, in that the codes were followed: age, disorder, time, and environment. And the second theme was linguistic level, and with the following codes: lexicon, retrieving words or it may be phrases, articulation, and reduces errors. Results and findings of the particular analysis data has been presented in diagrammatically as well. That question was is showing that appropriate treatment with the theme is most of the response was practice and drills. That most of the speech therapists responded that practice and drills are very much significant to enhance or to boost up or to overcome the lexical deficit condition. And then afterwards, by enhancing their gestures, by motivate them, and then in last, with low percentage of this result, that speech therapy also enhance to give the mind therapy of a particular patient. Analysis and the result of the question 2 is that to what extent speech therapy is effective. With the first theme, it is showing that factors affecting the four most important thing is the age factor, that age factor does matter. And then afterwards, level of disorder, that what is the level of disorder present in the Broca's aphasic patients, because they are usually the stroke patients. So it is very much important to know about their level of disorder. And along that, environment keeps very much significant to enhance their communicative and speaking capabilities. So in the form of speech therapy, actually Broca's aphasic patients are given a particular environment. And then in last, time also keeps important, that how long this treatment, particularly speech therapy, has been given to Broca's aphasic patients. Now the analysis of same question 2 with the second theme is that at linguistic level. Now this is the very much answer that participants responded, that these are actually the aspects which can be recovered through speech therapy. First, the main and important, retrieving words and phrases. It means that they responded that through giving this treatment, speech therapy, people with Broca's aphasia can retrieve words and phrases. Moreover, they integrate their lexicon level into their minds. Along that, their articulation can also be enhanced or increased with the passage of time. And when their articulation will become good or enough to transmit their views and thoughts, so in this regard, they will be able to reduce their errors in speaking or communication with other people. Results of the study suggest that speech therapy may be proved helpful or very much significant for adult Broca's aphasia to recover, to overcome their communicating capabilities, but it requires appropriate treatment. And that appropriate treatment inculcate practicing, drilling, gestures development, motivation in a way that until they wouldn't be willing to participate, they wouldn't be able to make them willing to participate, it means that their recovery is unable. So motivational level in a way can be enhanced through speech therapy, that their willingness is always engrossed through speech therapy. Along that, for this they need mind therapy. But recovery depends upon certain factors. For instance, age keeps quite important significant, because mostly probably, according to the response of participants speech therapists, early age is considered as the golden age. Along that, level of disorder I have talked about, and then timing, that how long a person is being treated and is being given speech therapy treatment. Speech therapist responded that minimum 6 months are required to give the treatment as speech therapy to enhance their recovery in terms of lexical deficit condition, and moreover their environment plays significant role. Speech therapy helps to recover in speaking and communication skills. However, these are the following linguistics level which can be overcome, which can be recovered through speech therapy. And these linguistic levels are words, phrases, their lexicon. It means that their mental vocabulary, which can be transmitted into form of messages, articulation of words, and then reduction of errors while speaking and conversing with other people. Now, at last, in conclusion, it has been concluded that Broca's aphasia causes disruption in the production of language, whereas understanding doesn't get impaired. It means that Broca's aphasia have not any kind of impairing in their comprehension. They feel always difficulty to utter out the words. Affected individual faces trouble in word finding and suffers during speaking. That makes one-sided communication because they are unable to compete, they are unable to express out their thoughts through the words. It means that competence remains unaffected. However, performance become diminished because aphasia is considered as loss of words, not thoughts. Because in aphasic condition, people have particular thoughts or expression in their minds, but they may lose the words to express out those thoughts and feelings and expressions. So why people with Broca's aphasia become deprived in daily life conversation? If we have different gears, just like speech therapy, to overcome such lexical deficit condition. In last, researcher wants to recommend the following points: that this present study has determined the role of speech therapy. However, in future researchers may follow different tools to do different kinds of research other than speech therapy for adult Broca's aphasia. Likewise, present study has focused particularly on lexical aspect of language. However, aphasia may affect different aspects of language. So for future study, researcher wants to recommend that different linguistics levels should be undertaken. And these are the references of my study. Thank you.